Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access to GPT-4 for absolutely free. You know that a few days ago, ChatGPT updated its language model to GPT-4 and it's only available for ChatGPT Plus. So in this video, I have got solution how to use this language model for free. I'll show you two ways how to do it. So after watching this video, you will be able to avoid spending additional money to use GPT-4 language model, guys. And before we start, don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are super important for us, and don't forget subscribe. So let's begin with the first method, how to use GPT-4 for free. So guys, you can see this website, it's called pro.com. On this website, you will be able to use GPT-4 language model for free, but it's limited. You can only send one message per day, guys. So first of all, you should go to this website. The link will be in the description. Sign up, and then you will see this menu in the left corner. You should choose GPT-4. Click GPT-4 and you can type your message here down below in this box. Just click send, and this GPT-4 language model will answer your question, guys. And remember that you have got only one message per day. But if only one message per day is not enough for you, I have a good news. Good news is Bing AI chat, guys. Here you can see on 13th March, Bing AI chat confirmed on its official blog that the new Bing runs on OpenAI's GPT-4. You can see this message here. We are happy to confirm that the new Bing is running on GPT-4, which we customized for search. If you have used the new Bing preview at any time in the last 5 weeks, you already experienced an early version of this powerful model. As OpenAI makes updates to GPT-4 and beyond, Bing benefits from those improvements. Along with our own updates based on community feedback, you can be assured that you have the most comprehensive Copilot features available, guys. So the good news is that you can use Bing AI chat for free, for absolutely free. You should have an access first, and you can use Bing chat for free. If you don't know how to get early access, I already recorded the instruction video. Watch my video about how to get Bing AI chat early access, and then you can use this GPT-4 language model for absolutely free, guys. Just go to Bing chat, ask anything, and the answers in the Bing chat will be based on GPT-4 language model. So guys, this is the solution. You can use these two methods. If this video is helpful, don't forget click the like button, and with help of this video you can avoid buying the ChatGPT Plus account, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.